Red Leader. We won't be going anywhere with those turbo lasers firing down on us. Do you... thing, Squadron.
Mission test that ti'n methu fel.
Hwna'n gywir achos ydych, mae gar na.
Trwy fe? Clyfau lan o'r pwy.
Ok, ond ti siarad fanna.
Ti'n fi bod y fideo yn dad? Bydd e'n actually bod yn fideo. What is this? What on? Peth ydy hyn? A what? Dwi'n byth di chwarae World. Nah. Nah. Yes. Come on. Green. PS13 now. Can you actually hook her in now, Dad?
Alright. I took out those turbo lasers.
Alright, great.
The job isn't over yet. Stay focused. Making our descent into...
Dad, we can get a copyrighted Carl Star Wars music on the back. Eh? Oh. Yn neud hynna, weithiau gan mae'n siarad I fe. Oh no. Na, not ti. Lynn. Ti just auto-shoot? Just close and stuff. True Jedi, wow. Pam ydyn rhoi fi True Jedi? What? Ydy y coins in that spot? Oh. The amount of bobl sydd yn...
There's so many. I just have to focus.
Jesus Christ. None.
I'll take them myself. Cover me.
Yes, sir.
The demon actually. Oh, Dad's yn gwylio. Hello, Dad. Doing better than Dad's. My head may dim ond un person yn gwylio.
The central exhaust is closed when the others are functioning. We have to
Come on.
get it open. Oh, and Lord Vader appears to have joined the proceedings.
Be do I meet? Peth? No. Ah. Enemy spotted. Dwi'n methu mynd too close i fe, dwi'n meddwl.
Shoot the smaller exhaust loop.
What? Peth ydi hyn? What? I'm so sensitive. Na. Cael e. Yep, a hwnna pan... Oes genuine sydd yn gwylio fe?
Ie.
Dwi'n meddwl, oherwydd mae neb actually mynd i gwylio fe.
Okay. You know.
Na. O, dwi'n fod i collecto fe, ddim seithi fe. O, a blwyddyn nhw lan.
Don't have all day. Shoot the smaller exhaust.
Oh god, no. Cael e. Mae'n crash land on it. Come on. Indiola. What? Dad. Pwy sydd yn yma? Strand. God, no. No, please go. Probably just when you need a level in. I did that. No. Wait, is he angen i eto? Neu? Come on, Mindiola. Tasty. Nah, don't literally. Na, dwi'n gwneud e I gyd eto. Yes. What? Really just went through that. God. Beth ydw i'n neud? No.
It's open! It's
How many
open!
things
Get a
we
torpedo down there now!
Gee. And now doing a Millennium Falcon. I did it.
This is it! The main exhaust is at the end of this trench.
Remember, the Force will be with you.
have your base. Are you gonna know? I love you. That's very insane. Are you gonna know? Doe je squirky maar. Dad? Idiot. It's not a big thing The end.
What's the movie?
I paid the publisher already on that. Dad. I need Marinus.